That's a big box full of. This is the Chinon Genesis. So this is one of the few cameras that I actually bought. Then afterwards, I pretty much regretted buying it because I found out something, a defect, after I bought it, and I was like, oh man, I shouldn't have bought this. Ooh, interesting. Look what it looks like there's battery in there. Looks like there's battery in there. It's flashing, so I guess the battery is almost dead. This actually looks pretty good. I don't know why I had misgivings about it. Oh, I know why. It was because of this front part here. When I buy my cameras, I like my cameras to be impeccable because I am a collector and I just want my cameras to look really good. So after I purchased it, I went back and looked at the images and I was like, oh man, there's a piece missing from it. And that's some of the risks of buying online. But now that I look at it, it's really not that bad because the camera is actually a very good looking camera. That's a very nice camera and in very good condition. And so here's the other thing. If this camera works and it works well, then it trumps really physical defects like that. So I'm not too worried about that. But look at that. The lens is in great shape. And I think this is just cosmetic really. Maybe in the future I will be able to find like an as-is model, like a broken model, and I'll just take off that cover and put it on this one. But this looks really nice actually, guys. This looks very nice. It reminds me of my Ricoh Mirai camera, which I absolutely love. This is a beautiful camera, guys. I'm actually quite happy now because I was worried. After I purchased it, I was like, man, this little defect. But you know what? If I didn't tell you there was something covering this part here, you probably wouldn't even have guessed it. Because it looks good. And it's all black. I think the thing that was covering here was like gray to give it a little highlight. But this is all black and it's hard to tell. So I like it. I like it a lot. It's in good shape. Oh, I see. So here's how this works. This is actually the power button. This flash button also serves as the power button. So you just, the moment you expose this, that turns on. Check this out. Did you see that? Right there. That's pretty cool. Cool design. Okay, I like it a lot. And it also came with this handle here, which obviously goes and attaches to both sides of this so you can actually hold it, which is nice to have. And its own pouch. I love that. I love that. The brand name is on it. It's beautiful, guys. It's actually nice. Okay, so this could be my travel. This could be my travel thing, you know, my travel camera for the times when I want to go on a vacation. I don't want to travel with a very big camera or a complicated camera. I like carrying cameras like this one here. It's like point and shoot, but also has the advantages of an SLR as well. It's beautiful. I love it. So I noticed that it came with this little ring, and I think I figured it out. It actually fits on the front part like that, and then it allows you to be able to attach filters to it, because I can see the grooves in it, right? So that allows you to attach filters, which is very cool. So I'm gonna check the shutter and see how it looks. Gonna open the back. I think that opens the back right there, and okay, that's an interesting shutter. It looks like an overhead door almost. I think it flips up and down, I think. And that looks really nice on the inside too. Cool camera, to be honest. That's a cool camera. Nice.